Hello everyone. Today we will study the first chapter from Geography of class 8, that is the Earth, our living planet. In this lesson we will cover the topics: names of the Earth, the size of the Earth and distribution of water on it, continents and oceans of the world, latitudes and longitudes, time, local time, standard time and international dateline. Lastly, oceans and continents on the world map. Now, let's start with the chapter. We are living on the Earth. It is the third planet from the Sun. The Earth is the home for all forms of life like plants, animals, and human beings because of its suitable distance from the Sun, range of temperature, life supporting gases, atmosphere, water cycle, etc. Our Earth is called by many names, some of them living planet, unique planet, watery planet, and blue planet. As you can see on the screen, the picture of the Earth, which is the third planet in our solar system. This Earth is also known as the living planet as well as the blue planet. Now we will see the size of the Earth. The Earth is the fifth largest planet in the Sun's family. The diameter of the Earth is approximately 4 times greater than the Moon, and it's around 107 times less than the Sun. The total geographical area of the Earth is 510 million square kilometers, 361 million square kilometers, like 70.78% is covered by water, and 149 million square kilometers in percentage, like 29.22%, is covered by land. Thus, the Earth has unequal distribution of land and water. Now we will see the shape of the Earth. The Earth shape is often described as geode, which literally means earth shapes or obstacles spread. The Earth is flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator. The equator diameter of the Earth is 12,756 kilometers and the polar diameter is 12,714 kilometers. Now we will see about the continent and oceans. The land bodies of the Earth are known as continents. There are, as you can see on the screen, the continents. There are 7 continents, namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. The continents are the land masses of large size. Asia is the largest continent in the world, while Australia is the smallest continent. We will see about the oceans. Here, the large water bodies on the Earth are called oceans. There are 4 major oceans. They are, in that, the Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean, whereas the Arctic Ocean is the smallest and the shallowest ocean. As you can see on the screen, there are 4 major oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The land and the water bodies are unevenly distributed between the northern and the southern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere has 60% of land and 40% of water, therefore it is called as the land hemisphere. On the other hand, there is 81% of water and 19% of land in the southern hemisphere, and so it is called the water hemisphere. Now, the Earth is spherical in shape. Therefore, it is difficult to locate the places, the direction, and calculate distance between the places. In order to understand the relationship between different places on the earth and their exact location, we have to understand their position, their distance from any fixed point, and also their exact direction. To know the position, distance, and direction, east and west or north and south, a network of lines are drawn on the globe. These are known as lines of latitude and longitude. The horizontal lines are the lines of latitude and the vertical ones are the lines of longitude. These lines intersect each other at right angles and create a network called grid. Here, intersect means to divide into two parts. It is called as intersect, and these lines are called as grid. As you can see on the screen, the horizontal lines, these lines are called latitudes. Now we will see in detail about latitude. Latitude is an imaginary line which joins all the places which have the same angular distance north or south of the equator. It is measured in degrees. The equator is the longest line of latitude known as Great Circle. It is equal to circumference of the earth. Here, circumference means length of the boundary of a circle. It is called as circumference. Other lines of latitude are of shorter length. The length of the lines of latitude decrease with the distance from the equator. All lines of latitude are circles and parallels to the equator. Okay, the lines of latitudes are circles and parallels. Therefore, lines of latitude are called parallels of latitude. There are 90 degrees of latitude on each side of the equator. 90 degrees of the north and south are the points. Including equator, totally there are 181 latitudes on the globe. Now we will see some important latitudes. 0 degree latitude is also known as equator or a great circle. 23.5 degree north latitude is also called as Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree south latitude, Tropic of Capricorn. 66 degree and half north latitude, Arctic Circle. 66.5 degrees south latitude, Antarctic Circle. 90 degree north, North Pole, and 90 degrees south, South Pole. Here we have completed the latitude. In our next video, we will deal with the longitude. Hope it is clear for you. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.